1, 2, 1, 2, hey, listen to me. Oh, yeah, you ain't got to cure me. I don't need no antidote. I wouldn't die sick. I don't give a fuck about a maggot ass bitch standing, landing. Motherfucker fanding, coming through, yeah, nigga can't launch landing, bandit, glamble, fucking with your man, son. You get killed with your motherfucking man gun. Nigga fuck with a real top shit, a top gunner. Yeah, nigga last all summer. Hot trot through the street, nigga, this is fucking me. Pussy ass nigga, burn your ass with your pedigree. Don't give a fuck, nigga, you a duck. I can say something, then you be like, oh, yo, you the fuck with a dude, boy. I don't fuck with dude, boy, school boy. Yo, you ain't new, boy. You are what I gotta do, yeah, with that bad hoe. But you don't give a fuck about your pussy ass in it, though. You can say what you want, ain't no soliciting. Bitch, fuck that shit, I play my positioning. Doing what I gotta do, yeah, I am fishing it. Many men will die when they fucking with me again. Don't give a fuck, blue bunny in the ice cream. Fudge fucking with these hoes, yo, I show them no love. In the street, hustle hard, doing shit, oh my God. When I bust that shit, bitch, you ain't can't, you bitch fist. Yo, get the flick, bitch, yeah, look at the flick, bitch. You gon' understand, eat your ass like a fish did. You can never play with a young nigga, ayy, I'ma do what I gotta do the very day. Run DMC, nigga, run when they see me. What the fuck, what I do, what I gotta do, what I do what I do. A pussy ass nigga, you motherfucker be through. Fucking with a nigga, you don't have no clue. So what you wanna do? That nigga be like, ooh. When I hit that motherfucker dead in the head, flop drop, nigga, yeah, nigga off his neck, son. Where the fuck you ain't got shit? Take a rest, son. You will know what I did, nigga, with the best, sons. Ain't no reason. Yeah, so tis the season for pussy niggas out here bleed. What the fuck? I don't need no gun. I could use my fist. I could use my brush knuckle, fuck it. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, I will win. I will do this shit again and again. So why are you fucking with a real son? You don't even know, nigga, yo, how to squeeze a gun. Ain't it right? Damn, I'm right. Doing like, damn, I night. Nigga, fuck you, well, bro, like a dynamite. Treat it like a J. Fuck it, yeah, I fuck with side I say. And these niggas don't know why. That these fuck niggas got to die. You got to die. Fuck nigga, you got to die. Pussy nigga, you have to go. Don't come around me no more. Go state, thinking that it's great. Thinking on the check like I ate. Mad cuz see what I do. They getting money, ooh. Yeah. You got to die. You got to die. Hey, there ain't no vaccine for this shit. You got to die. And it has to be. Nigga can't laugh at me. It be tragedy, nigga, I be first, or the guns to burst. When you lurk, you get hurt with no nurse. No life, don't think twice to sacrifice. Your life, it ain't right. Like you can't think twice when you cough, choke, but this is no hope. Ask your life, you can't think you broke. Don't fuck with me. Hold up, I did big bids. You couldn't stand in behind these walls. Locked up, yeah, with some shitty ass jaws. That shit made me into a man. You just don't understand. Real shit, the shit go blam. When they hit the shit, yo, the shit go blam. Hit the shit, then the shit crack the walls. You You ain't never heard it before. I'm breaking down levels. And new scenes. Nigga trying to make against me new means. But it was the nigga on the scene. And she made $1 a day, could I beat it with a trick or treat? With a trick or treat. Come through, yeah, she got small feet. I might need to get more to eat. Made more to see. Meet my G. Hey, bro. I'm in the studio too, man. I'm in the studio, but look, yeah, check it out. Bless me. You know what I'm saying? I got these too, man. Okay, can you bless me with some incense? I mean, just like a little $1. It'll help the struggle. All right, I appreciate you. I'm in the studio too now. So, you know what I'm saying? We gonna make this a live hit. No, that was just a little $1 I made from the incense, bro. But I'm gonna bless you. So that's how it is. You know, that's how it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get it anyway. We gonna get it in. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, homie. We gonna bless you. You know what I'm saying? Much peace, love, and blessing. You know what I'm saying? Just manifest every day. It's a lesson. What the beat playing? Let them know. Let them know about the pandemic, OG. Hell yeah, let them know. What do you think about that, OG? Hold on. What that pandemic? That pandemic talking about. Yeah, of course, let them know.
Oh, I hear you.
Put some OG on. You know what I'm saying? What you think about the pandemic?
It's crazy.
Huh?
We got a message. It's showing us a message. It's giving us a message. We're going to have to help each other, man.
Exactly.
We're going to have to do for one another to make it.
That's right.
I know some folks out there trying to buy some property so they can build their own little town together. Black folk.
That's right.
That's
what I'm saying. But see, that's what I'm saying. See, that what y'all gotta listen to the OG saying to y'all, man.
Amen.
Because that's what he's saying.
So
If he gonna tell it to you real, he gonna tell it to you to get in your head. You feel me?
I got you.
That real, that talk. Put down my number too, man. Put down my number. Put down my number. We might get rich off this song, bro. I got to bless you. You know what I'm saying?